Alright, buckle up. We're diving into the world of Roblox animation. What animation means in Roblox? An animation in Roblox basically a set of poses for a character or object uh, over time. Each movement, a jump, punch, or wave, is made by rotating or moving parts in the animation editor. And Roblox turns those keyframes into smooth motion. Animations can be applied to player characters, R6 or R15 rigs, NPCs, non-player models, custom objects or machinery, literally anything rigged with joints, like Motor 6D. So, first of all, set up Roblox Studio properly. Go to the Create, alright? Either start a new base plate or open your existing game. Go to the plugins tab and then click animation editor. If you don't see it, install it via the manage plugins or build rig plugin, or download it from the Roblox built-in tools. Insert a rig. Go to the plugins, build the rig, choose R15 recommended or R6. This creates dummy model with joints that you can animate. Alright. Now you can open the animation editor. Select the rig you just created. Click animation editor again. A window pops up asking for a name. Call it whatever you like sword swing underscore v1. You'll now see a timeline and keyframe controls. That's your new home. Step 3. Understand the animation editor layout, like the timeline, the rig hierarchy, keyframes, marks that tell the editor where a part starts or changes position. Playback controls, play, pause, loop your animation. Easing style controls the smoothness of transitions like linear, sine, bounce, etc. Step 4, excuse me. Start animating. Click a part, say the right arm. Move the timeline cursor to frame O or frame 0 and rotate the arm slightly. A keyframe appears automatically. Move to frame 10, rotate the arm downward. Boom, another keyframe. Move to frame 20, return it to the original position. Hit play. Congrats, you just made a motion. A basic wave, or at least a convincing stretch. You can animate multiple parts at once. Just repeat for legs, torso, etc. Tip: keep your timeline organized by labeling important frames, start, impact, and etc. Right? And then you're gonna refine it like a pro. Smooth it out. Add anticipation. Use small delays between limbs for realism. Looping. If you are making idle animations, enable loop in the animation properties. Right? And you're gonna save it. Click save file and then save on the left column, the top left. Right? Click right here, and you're gonna see your creations, right? Or file. When you're happy, just click export. Roblox will upload it and give you animation ID. Copy that, all right? And replace your animation ID with the actual ID you got from export. Works for NPCs and players. You just adjust the humanoid reference, right? So make sure your NPCs or your character is rigged with Motor 6D joints. You can use the rig edit plugin to connect parts. Then open animation editor, select the custom rig and start animating like before. Common mistakes: animation won't play. Check that you're using the animator object, not the old humanoid load animation. Everything moves weirdly. You used anchored parts. Unanchor them before animating. Animation disappears when I test. It didn't export and use the animation ID in your script. So, pro tip to level up: record reference videos of the movement you want to recreate. Use them as a timing guides. Play with the graph editor if you're advanced for ultra smooth transitions. Blend multiple animations using the weight parameter, like walking plus waving at once. Study free models on Roblox with good animation rigs to reverse engineer timing, and structure. So animation is rhythm, not movement. It's the illusion of life inside a code. When your rig blinks, jumps, or breathes, it's no longer just polygons. It's a fragment of your imagination given pulse. So yeah, you're not just coding. You're not just coding. You're directing life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.